Creating a floor plan is an essential step in designing any space. Whether you're a seasoned architect or a beginner, these tips will guide you through the process and help you create functional and aesthetically pleasing designs. First, sketch it out. Start with a simple sketch to get an idea of what you want your design to look like. This doesn't have to be perfect. It's just a way to visualize your ideas before moving on to digital designs. One of the most important aspects of creating a floor plan is using different line weights. Different line weights can help distinguish between various sections and parts of the design. Thicker lines can represent walls, while thinner lines can indicate furniture or fixtures. This helps in clearly understanding the layout and the importance of each element. Next, determine which rooms you want on each floor. This is a crucial step in planning your space. Decide which rooms are necessary and where they should be located to make the best use of the available area. In this example, the design is not connected. You have to go through the kitchen and the bathroom to get to the master bedroom. But in this example, the design is well connected and everything is where it's supposed to be. Make the space functional. Keep everything connected. Use hallways to connect different rooms, ensuring smooth transitions and easy access throughout the space. This helps in creating a cohesive and efficient layout. Prepare your measurements and make sure they line up. Accurate measurements are key to a successful floor plan. Keep everything neat and organized to avoid any issues later on. Overall, creating a floor plan involves careful planning and attention to detail. Sketch your ideas. Use different line weights. Plan your rooms. Ensure functionality. And keep your measurements accurate. By following these steps, you'll be able to create a well-designed and functional floor plan. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you would like to learn how to improve your design skills, you should follow my channel. Until next time.